all of the theory part is over. Okay, only the remaining thing is what? Yeah, working on the problems based on the given data. If you say based on given set of data, first you need to understand what type of data it is. The other data is first and for that we need minimum knowledge, minimum sense of reasoning, minimum sense of analytics need. Okay, I'll just take a problem and then I'll tell you about that. Okay, now Laplace Hurwitz, and there is one more that is called as optimism model. Okay, that is also theory. This available is there. Okay, please read the theory, and if you don't follow any of the same statements, you can contact me and explain that. And I straight away I'm going to this what is called as problems applications. Write down this problem, all of you. 3.9.1. All of you take down this problem. 3.9.1. Okay, it is there presenting. Go to full screen. Yeah. 89 pages PPT ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಎಷ್ಟು ಶ್ರಮ ಪಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. Okay. This is slide number 23. Slide number 23. Slide number 23. Write out the problem. Slide number 23. Slide number 23. All of you write out the problem. Slide number 23. Yeah, 3.9.1. Copy the problem. Copy the problem. 3.9.1. 3.9.1. Copy the problem, all of you. No need to discuss in between. Okay, unless and until you have a problem, you have a kind of academic question, that only you can discuss. Okay, otherwise not talking. Okay, because we are very short of time. Okay, as I have promised this answer, I will revise top 5 to 15 questions from each chapter, top 10 questions from each chapter. That's my promise. At any class, I will give it to you and promise like that. Examination again. Network bandwidth. One second. There is some technical problem. ಇಲ್ಲ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಪೇಷನ್ಸ್. ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಡ್ವಿಡ್ತ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಕಣ, ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, ಬ್ಯಾಂಡ್ವಿಡ್ತ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, ಏನೇನೋ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಗಳಿದಾವೆ. Pratika, just give me 1 minute, I'll getting it back. Yeah, here it is. Online ಬಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅನ್ಸ್ತಾರೆ ಯಾಕಾದ್ರೂ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬಂದೆ ಅಂತ. Somebody is okay. ಹದಿನೈದು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಕಣ. ಬರ್ಕೋ, ಏನಾಗಲ್ಲ. Copy the problem. Copy the problem. What problem? Oh, yes. This is the decision theory and uncertainty problem. Minimum quantities exam practice minimum quantities you need to solve this problem. Especially decision theory. Very difficult. Alpha side and decision theory and skip money, you better take a probable choice according to your convenience. ಬರಲೇಬೇಕು ಅದು ಬರಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಶುರುಗೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ಆಯ್ತಾ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ 5 ವರ್ಷ ನಾನು ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನ ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ I have taken this. I read it once for you. A food product company is contemplating the introduction of a revolutionary new product with new packaging or replacing the existing product. Either to go for a new packaging or to replace the whole product. Package ಮಾತ್ರ change ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ product change ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು decision ಇದೆ ಅವರ ಹತ್ರ. At much higher price, yes one. It may even take a moderate change in the composition of the existing product with a packaging at a small increase in price. S2. These are all the strategies. These are all the strategies S1 and S2. That is not a kind of novel kind of story that is telling all that. Okay, the business problem. Try to understand. It's a business problem. Okay, business manager okay, two options there. S1, S2, S3 and that. We have to suggest whether to go for S1 or S2 or S3 and that. Okay, hello. Not even 1 minute time is left for you to disturb me in between. If you are disturbed with me, okay, I disturb with yourself. Okay, I will not hospital you need to listen to me carefully all the entire 40 minutes and even more possible. Now, see what is S1 and that is explained there, correct? Go there, read it. And S2 again. It may even take a moderate change. Hero product now you can contemplate some little adding or removing some features, some change, moderate change. Okay, that is called as with a small increase in price. A moderate change goes there. S2 leads to some increase in price and that. Next, or maybe a small change in the existing product with negligible increase in price. S2 increase in price, S3 is decrease in price. S1 is totally replacing or something like that. It is given. What is S1, what is S2, what is S3? You are getting the point? It is a real life business situation. It is a real life business problem. Okay, it is defined what is S1, it is defined what is S2, it is defined what is S3. Understood? Now, continue reading the problem. Now, the 3 possible states of nature or events are high increase in the sales, that is called as N1, no change in sales, that is called as N2, decrease in sales. If the manager exercises these strategies, S1, S2 and S3, either sales may increase or sales may decrease or no change in the sales. Hello? Can't see the PPT. It is available. It is there. Presenting. Can't hear me. Okay. Then I'm not supposed to move. I have to be here only. Okay. Now am I audible? Hello? Pratika, am I audible? Am I audible now? Okay, fine. I cannot move all over the classroom. See, online ಬಂದ ಮೇಲೆ just ಏನು ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ ನನಗೆ ಯಾಕಾದ್ರೂ ಬಂದೆ ಟೀಚಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಷನ್ ತಲೆನೋವು. Okay, next. See, we have S1, S2, and S3. Now listen to me, please. Hello. Listen here. There is no depth for knowledge in me. I'm not boasting. There is no depth for giving you awareness. There is no depth for motivation to motivate you to learn. But the problem is the media. The problem is the situation. The problem is the environment. The problem is the trend of the modern students. There is a viral news spreading that exam conduct madalla. More viral news, not for you, for first and second years. Alva, ee thara condition alli, okay, you look at our motivation level too. Now manusya alva, I am not a robot alva. Even I have a feeling, right? Understand? Okay, now we have S1, S2, S3, and correspondingly we have N1, N2, N3. And based on this matrix, you can have what is called as your outcomes. S1 with N1, S1 with N2, S1 with N3, S2 with N1, S2 with N2, S2 with N3, S3 with N1, S3 with N2, S3 with N3. You can have the matrix, right? Followed up? Okay. This is properly maybe visible, right? This is limit console. Okay. Now just listen here. Okay. And here, just listen to me. Just listen to me. I make it as S1, right? I make it as S2, right? I make it as S3, right? And you know what is S1, what is S2, what is S3, right? Understood? Okay, you are getting it right. And this S1, S2, S3, S1, S2, S3 are expected to lead some outcome, some results. These are all the strategies, initiations taken by, supposed to be taken by, intent to be taken by your manager. Okay, maybe it leads to N1, maybe it leads to N2, maybe it leads to N3. Understood? But with each combination of S1 and N1, there is an associated payoff, profit. That's profit and payoff and loss. Negative symbol that is called as loss. Okay, higher value that is called as higher profit. Lower value that is called as lower profit. Understood the concept now? Now, shall I move on the slide, Pratika? Hello? I'm just going now. Write down this.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Am I audible? That's what I said. We have S1, S2, S3 here mentioned. Correct? We know what is S1, we know what is S2, we know what is S3. It has defined the problem. And similarly, we know what is N1, what is N2, what is N3. And each combination of S1 and N1, S1 and N2, S1 and N3 like that, we call it as business synergies. This is called as a business synergy outcome. S1 N1 is a business synergy. S1 N2 is a business synergy possibility. S1 N3 is a synergy possibility. Yeah, that's what. Then the matrix arrangement and but with certain payoff. Payoff sometimes it could be a loss too, provided you have a symbol associated with negative sign. If the payoffs are associated with negative sign, okay, that is going to be a loss ಅಂತ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. If the value is very high, the payoff value is very high, then you can take that value as your higher large profit. If the value is less, you can take it as lower profit. Understood, Pratika? Hello, Pratika. You got it? Pratika, please reply. Is it fine? Have you got it? Have you got it? No, not audible. What mic problem? Huh? Can't hear you. I don't can't hear. ನನ್ನ ಫೋನ್ ಮೆಮೊರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಕಡ ಇದು ಒಂಥರ you are far from the laptop. No, I am very much near. I am very much near you. I can switch on my whether am I okay? Can you look at me? Hello, is it fine? Can you able to see me? Board kanta ide but adna adjust madana. Yes. Okay, we'll make it arrangement, no problem, so that they can have a look at this. Yeah. Now, just okay, am I audible now? Pratika, am I audible? Am I audible? Hello? Yeah. Audio, video, okay, it's fine. Now listen to me here, please. Hello, listen to me. I said we have S1, we have S2, we have S3, and similarly we can have we are having N1, N2, and N3. There is a synergy, combination, possibilities. S1, N1 is a possibility. S1, N2 is a possibility. S1, N3 is a possibility. What is S1, N1 means to say? What is S1? What is S1? See that? What is S1? Suddenly one means what? Packaging. There is a change in packaging, correct? And if they do a change in packaging, either the sales may increase, or there may be no increase or decrease, no change in that. Probabilities, chances, alternatives, correct? Like that, we have a 3x3 matrix. We have a 3x3 matrix, right? Okay, now listen to me. Okay. By analyzing the given problem, write down. By analyzing the given problem, by analyzing the given problem, the business manager may leads to. By analyzing the given problem, the business manager may leads to developing. Business manager may leads to the following. Developing may leads to the following combinations of strategies and its states of nature of outcomes. Strategies and its states of natures of outcome. States of natures of outcome. States of natures of outcome. Now, if you say states of natures of outcome, okay, this is what is called as S1, S2, S3. Now, N1, N2, N3. Now, if you look at the combinations, I can write this as S1, N1, right? And this is S1, N2, right? And this is S1, N3, right? Combinations, I told you, right? Similarly, S2, N1, S2, N2, S2, N3. S2, N3. Now, S3, N1, S3, N2, S3, N3. Write down this. Are you following? Hello, people there on the online. Are you getting my point? Okay, I can just move it bit close to you. Is it fine? ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಆಯ್ತು. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಇದನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಫೋಟೋ ತೆಗೆದು ಇಮೇಜ್ ಹಾಕಿ. ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? Fine. Okay. Somebody take a picture and put into the image. ಮಾಡಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ ಮಾಡ ಮಯೂರ್ ಇದೊಂದು ಫೋಟೋ ತಗೊಳ ಬಂದು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಫೈನ್ ಹಾಕೋದು ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿರೋ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಕೆ S1, N1, S1, N2, S1, N3, S2, N1, S2, N2, S2, N3, S3, N1, S3, N2, S3, N3, right? Okay. Now, after that, you follow, you copy this problem. S1, S2, S3, N1, N2, N3. Row column change again, no problem. As it is, you take. S1, N1, S1, N2 ಹಂಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅದೇನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. Question table ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Now write down the question. Strategies ಆ ಕಡೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. That is not an issue. ಏನ್ row column change ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. Row column is not a matter. ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ v values ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Correct? Now we copy the problem, all of you. Copy this problem. Copy the problem. All of you copy the problem. Copy the problem, all of you. Copy the problem. Aita. All of you copy the problem. Theory somehow we can manage and no problem at all. Theory, language, or not an issue at all. When it comes to papers like this, you are difficult. Theory, ನಾನು ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ತಯಾರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಬೇಕಾದ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ okay yeah now Just copy the problem. Copy the problem, all of you. Okay, have you copied the problem? And there determine which strategy the concerned executive should choose on the basis of. There are few mathematical models, as I said. Listen to me. There are few mathematical models, as I said earlier. There are different methods, different approaches. But which method you follow or not depends on you. Again, if you ask me a question, sir, istu or method ideyalla yavadರಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ question ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, okay, that cannot be addressed at this point of time. That depends upon your professional expertise in the area. Professional expertise in that particular, what is called as area working. Max ತಗೊಳ್ಳ, maximum ತಗೊಳ್ಳ, Laplace ತಗೊಳ್ಳ, ಯಾವ್ದು ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, okay, that question cannot be addressed now at this point, because that needs what? Your experience, professional expertise, managerial expertise, excellence. How much you're exposed to such kind of situations earlier. That gives you kind of common sense. That gives you a kind of intuition to select. Okay, this is fine. And going with the technicalities, we say that do all the methods and see the results. ಯಾವುದು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಫನ್ ಆಗಿ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್, ಗೋ ವಿತ್ ದ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ಅಂತ. ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕಲ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ, ಎಂಪಿರಿಕಲ್ ಎವಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ. Okay, now determine which strategies. Have you copied it? Hello, all of you copied the problem? Say yes or no. Have you copied the problem? Here online reply. Have you copied the problem? Please listen to me. Sir. Yes or no? Pratika, yes. Yeah. Now, solution. Maximax. ಒಂದೊಂದೇ ಮಾತ್ರ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. Maximax criteria ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಮಾತ್ರ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. It's all 11:50, 11:20 I have to leave the class. Okay. See that the solution is very simple. Now ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಷ್ಟು ಕಷ್ಟ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. Okay, listen to me, all of you. I'm going with the criteria called as Maximax. Maximax means what? Maximizing the maximum profit corresponding to each strategy and its outcome. Corresponding to each strategy and its outcome. Okay, I will go with the situation where I reap the benefit, higher the benefit, maximum money, maximum revenue, maximum profit, maximum sales anta, right? Ee tara tagondaga, okay, this criteria can be applied. Maximax refers to maximizing the maximum profit. All these things are explained earlier. Sir, nam theory beda anta. Theory antadre, that is not a theory kind of a novel or something like that. Okay, that gives you the conceptual understanding. A conceptual understanding in ತಲೆಗೆ ತುಂಬಿಸಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು 22 ಸ್ಲೈಡ್ ಖರ್ಚು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. 22 ಸ್ಲೈಡ್ ನಾನು ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಓದಿದ್ರೆ you will get somewhere around 150 pages theory. 150 ಪೇಜ್ ಥಿಯರಿನ ಇರೋದನ್ನ ಆ 20 ಸ್ಲೈಡ್ ತಂದಿಟ್ಟು ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ನೀವೇ ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೇ ಓದ್ಕೋತೀವಿ ಸರ್ ಬುಕ್ ಕೊಡಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಆ 20 ಸ್ಲೈಡ್ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತಾನೆ you are supposed to read 150 pages theory. It's simplified very much. Now, okay, Maximax. I'm not going to read anything on this because it's there on mobile, everything is there online, digitalized. Okay, ನಾನು ಬೇರೆ ಯಾರ ಬಂದು ಕಾಪಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಏನು ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. I am a very much friendly, technologically friendly man. My technology, I like it very much. Next day, same work. Next time is, tell me. Yes, ma'am. Come on. Elon Musk. Hey, Nano, Elon Musk. Nano, Elon Musk. I'm communicating with Elon Musk through his email. Yeah. Yes. Listen to me. Max. Name aito. Just nodially. Okay, max criteria anta. Identify the column maximum and select the maximum among all the column maximums. Look at this. S1 only maximum, S2 only maximum, S3 only maximum. Yavu nodi? S1 only highest. S1 only column S2 70 alva. Hello. 7 lakhs. S3 only nodi? S3 only nodi? ಈ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಯಾವುದು ಆ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ 7 lakhs. Now the result is that if you go with the criteria, it is better to have strategy 1, packaging. Go with the packaging. People says, understood? Have you understood? Have you understood? Hello? Have you understood? Yes, sir. Hello? Have you understood, Pratika? Go with the S1. What does S1 says? Packaging. Okay. Replace the existing product at higher price. That gives you more revenue. Simple. Here tumba calculations in Parada. Listen to me. Decision theory is not highly mathematical oriented. Abdullah. Decision theory is not highly mathematical oriented. It is logical oriented. It is reasoning oriented. It is analytical oriented. Tumba lekka ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಉದ್ದದ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಓಕೆ lengthy sheets of bundle of ಏನು ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. Just smart calculation. Look at the solution. Maximax there. Right? Okay, with this I am closing it now. Okay, we'll go for the next part of the solutions in the later class tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow we have BP and the Wednesday. ಯಾವ highest ಎಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಎಸ್ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಪ್ರತಿ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಟೇಕನ್ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ರೈಟ್ ಆ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಯಾವುದು ಅದು ನೋಡಿ 7 ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ S1 therefore go with S1 you as a business executive maximize criteria ಅಂದ್ರೆ S1 ಹೋಗಿ ಅಂತ S1 ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಹೋಗ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ what is S1 ಅಂತ you take a decision right understood any questions any questions Pratika, Aman, Chetan, Pradipta, oh you are here only. Any no, questions? No, sir. Sheshaswini? Done? Hello, Samson, Ataita, Sanjan, anybody there? Abdullah, are you fine? Understood? Okay, I am closing it. One second. Go.